Thing to say. Hey, 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 hey. Your Excellency, Your Excellency, I am standing here saying, what can I say? Nothing but to just thank you, nothing more. Just thank you. Hey, yeah, yeah. At one point, I could see 80% seated and wondering, looking at you like this, wondering whether this is coming from a president of this continent. People have always wanted to hear what you say, but they don't hear it. You know, you spoke as if you were this side, not this side.
Look, 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 look. You have propelled Africa to another higher level. I tell you.
We now have gained confidence in our leadership on this continent. We really have confidence. We now have hope. And those that are aspiring, because this parliament has produced, as we said yesterday, a number of heads of state from this parliament. The current president of Seychelles was here 2 years ago. The current president of Namibia was a member of this parliament. Former President Mahama of Ghana was a member of this parliament. Former President of Mali, Keita, was a member of this parliament. Who else? So, now today, Niger President, Niger, Bazoum, Honorable Bazoum, he used to sit over there, that side. Bazoum, former member of this parliament. But I want to say, if there are others among you who are also aspiring, I think twice. It is no longer the presidents of yesterday. Things have changed. Look, we now want this caliber. This is the caliber now we are looking for. So you may have to withdraw your candidature. Anyway, if you listened properly, and all of you listened, this can be a speech, a talk, but in my language of academic life, this is not a speech. It is a treatise which lives forever. Treatise.